Mistplay, Freecash, and KashKick are built for different types of users, so the best choice depends on whether you care more about gaming, flexibility, or variety. By the end, you'll know how these three reward apps compare and which one fits your way of earning the most. First, look at Mistplay. Mistplay is focused around mobile gaming, so it makes the most sense for people who already spend time playing games on their phone. The advantage is that the experience is centered around one main activity, instead of switching between many different tasks. The trade-off is that Mistplay may not be the best fit if you want more variety. If you prefer having different ways to earn rewards, another platform may match your routine better. Next is Freecash. Freecash is known for giving users access to a wider range of earning opportunities. This makes it useful for people who do not want to depend on only one type of activity. The main thing to consider with Freecash is that different offers can have different requirements. Before starting any task, check the instructions carefully so you understand what needs to be completed. Then there is KashKick. KashKick is designed around completing available reward activities, making it another option for people comparing multiple platforms. The difference between KashKick and the others comes down to your personal preference. If you want a simple experience built around gaming, Mistplay has a clearer focus. If you want more choices, Freecash may feel more flexible. If you prefer another reward platform option, KashKick is worth comparing based on the activities available to you. A good way to choose is to test how each app fits your schedule. Pay attention to how easy the tasks are to understand, how often you find activities you actually want to complete, and how comfortable the app feels to use. There is no single winner for everyone, because each platform serves a different type of user. Gamers may prefer Mistplay's focused approach, users looking for more variety may prefer Freecash, and others may find KashKick fits their preferences better. The key points are simple. Choose Mistplay if gaming is your main interest, compare Freecash when you want more options, and evaluate KashKick based on your own experience with the platform. Your next step is to try the app that matches your routine, instead of choosing only based on what works for someone else. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more reward app reviews and rankings.